Okay, students. So 5.3, question number 3. What is the question? Determine whether the following points are collinear. Okay. So they have given us 3 points along with their coordinates. और क्या check करना है? What we have to check? We have to check whether these points are collinear. What do we mean by collinear? पता है आपको? आपने 9th में भी पढ़ा है. Collinear मतलब the points are in a straight line. Very simple. Simple definition. If the points are in a straight line, they are collinear. Okay. So how do we check which points are collinear? So let me try to take say 2 questions here. Say third and fifth. So remaining I think you can easily solve. Let me first start with the third one. How will we solve the third question? क्या बोल रहे हैं? So 3 points are given, L, M and N, and we have to check whether they are collinear or not. So how can we check? Now we have to check using slopes. Of course, we have to check using slopes. So let us try to find the slopes of some line. Slope of some line segment here. Let me first try to find out, say, slope of Lm. How do I find the slope of Lm? So what will be the formula again? Y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So of course I take this as x1 y1. So let me just write it here. L is so L 2 comma 5, and we have this as M, say 3 comma 3. So what we will take here, just we discussed it in the last session, x1 y1, and suppose this is x2 y2. Okay, so what is our formula for slope? It is simply y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay, so what is that now here in these coordinates? Very easy now. It is simply 3 minus 5 divided by 3 minus 2. What is that now? Minus 2 upon 1. So that is actually now minus 2. The slope of Lm, क्या आ गया? Minus 2 है. Okay, same way let us try to find out, say Lm निकाला ना, तो अभी Mn निकालते हैं. Let us try to find Mn का slope. So let us try to find slope of Mn. क्या होता है देखते हैं. So let us try to find out slope Mn. Again same formula. What is the formula again? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. बराबर है ना? So वही तरीके से करना है. मैं डायरेक्टली करता हूँ. You write the steps properly. Okay. So I will do it. Try to do it directly. Or you want me to do the steps? Okay. So ये m है और this is n. m का coordinates तो हमारे पास है 3, 3. So let this be x1, y1 और n का क्या है 5, 1. इसको क्या ले लेंगे x2, y2. तो इसको बोल दिया x1 y1 और इसको बोल दिया x2 और y2. ओके, तो अभी स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो y2 माइनस y1 क्या आ जाएगा 1 माइनस 3 अपॉन x2 माइनस x1 क्या आ जाएगा 5 माइनस 3, है कि नहीं? तो फिर अल्टीमेटली क्या मिला हमको 1 माइनस 3 इज व्हाट माइनस 2 अपॉन 2. तो स्लोप ऑफ mn कितना मिल गया? टेल मी हाउ मच इज स्लोप ऑफ mn नाउ? इट इज -1. Now check. Slope of Lm is -2 or slope of Mn is -1. अलग अलग है. They are not same. If the points are collinear, then their slopes should be same, right? So if 3 points are collinear like this, right, then their slopes are equal. equal. If they are collinear, if the points are on a line, any points, any 2 points you take on a line, on a straight line, their slopes are always equal. If they are not equal, that means they are not on a straight line. I hope you got this point. ठीक है, तो that means यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे अभी हम लोग finally, as slope of LM is not equal to slope of MN, therefore what we can say that points, which points? L, M and N. So L, M, N are what? Are not collinear. I hope you got this. Okay, this is how you should solve this type of question. Okay, one more I am taking from this. So let us take this one. R, fifth one, R1 minus 4, minus 2, 2 and minus 3, 4. So let me try to copy these values first. What is the first one? R1 comma minus 4. So R1 comma minus 4. So what is the second one? S minus 2 comma 2. It is, what is the third one? T minus 3 comma 4. So T minus 3 comma 4. So these 3 points are given. So same method we should follow, right? So what we will do first, tell me quickly. We'll find slope of RS. So let us try to find out slope RS. For that, what we will do? Y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So I am doing directly. You have to follow the proper steps. Okay. So what is going to come? It is 6 upon minus 3. So that is minus 6 upon 3. So minus 2. Okay. Same way, what we will try to find now? Anything you can, ST nikalo. Try to find ST or RT. It doesn't matter. Any two segments का slope निकालो. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये दो निकालना. Any two. ST भी निकाल सकते हो या तो RT भी निकाल. समझ में आ रहा है? You can find ST or you can even find RT. It is up to you. So I choose say ST here. Slope ST. कैसे निकालेंगे? Same method. कोई change नहीं. See how this is very simple. Once you practice this, there is, see, so simple. Minus 3 plus 2. So it is actually minus 2 only now. So check what has happened here. Slope of RS is equal to slope of ST, isn't it? So what did we get? We got that slope of RS is equal to slope of ST. Therefore what we can say? We can say that points R, S, T are what? Collinear. Okay. Again, I'm repeating that you don't need to find out all three, slope for all three. Any two will be sufficient. Okay. So any two are sufficient. So I take any two segments. Here we took RS and ST. Okay. So before we end, let me just ask a small trivia, small question to you. Okay. So we have this formula for slope. Everybody knows this formula, that slope is what? Y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Now you may be wondering that what if I take, instead of y2 minus y1, I take y1 minus y2. Okay, so what will happen in that case? What happens? Can I take y1 minus y2? Can I take x1 minus x2 instead of y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1? So what will happen? Is it correct to take in that manner, or is it wrong to take in that manner? Right? So my question is that can we take y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2 here? Right? Can we take that way? Will it make any difference, or will it be right or wrong to take in that manner? So that is the question. Think about it and try to answer in the comment section, please. Okay, then we'll have a discussion on that. Okay, chalo then. Bye. Hope you got this point.